inside them raging. Soon enough a war they'll be waging. No better place they could be.